In groups of
Now we've managed so many conferences over the last couple of years, and every time we are seated down, but we are not practicing what we preach. So today every step counts towards health and fitness, and that is the genesis of our Kenya Diabetes Study Group Sports Day, that not only are we going to start as healthcare practitioners, but this is how we are going to spread the message to all in the country.
And our theme today is that every step counts, and we are here as doctors and allied healthcare professionals to try and promote wellness and healthy living amongst all Kenyans.